Here is a problem from the chapter Tangent Properties of Circle. What is the problem? A and B are centers of circles of radii 9 cm and 2 cm, such that AB is equal to 17 cm and C is the center of the circle of radius r cm, which touches the circles externally. If the angle ACB is equal to 90 degree, write an equation in R and solve it. Diagram also given. Let us start the solution. Here A and B are centers of circles. See, A and B 9 cm and 2 cm. It is 9 cm and the radius is 2 cm. Such that AB is equal to 17. The length of AB 17 centimeters and the radius of the circle centering at C is r centimeter. These are given. Now, and also given the angle ACB is equal to right angle. So, by joining the centers of the three circles, we got a triangle, and clearly the triangle is a right angle triangle. So, on right angle triangle, which property you can use? An important property? Yes, like of course Pythagoras theorem. So, by using Pythagoras theorem, you can write AB square equal to AC square plus CB square right here by Pythagoras theorem. This implies, what is the value of AB? 17 centimeters. What is the value of SC? 9 plus R plus CB R plus 2 whole square. This implies 17 square. You use here the formula S square plus B square. What is S square plus B square? Minus R minus 2 A minus B whole square plus 2 twice AB, that is 9 plus R into R plus 2. S square plus B square equal to A minus B whole square minus twice AB. Here implies 17 square equal to cancel 9 minus 2 7 square plus 2 into 9 plus R into R plus 2. Says the sides equal to 2 into 9 plus R plus 2. You use here S square minus B square. What is S square minus B square? A plus B. A plus B into A minus B equal to 2 into 9 plus R into R plus 2. This implies 17 plus 7, 24 into 10 is equal to 2 into plus 2. Clear? Divide both sides by 2. That is, you will get 12 into 10 equal to 9 plus R into R plus 2. Now I am going in left side. Next step. 12 into 10, 120 equal to, you can multiply it now. 9 into R, 9R, 9R plus 9 into 2, 18 plus R into R, R square plus R into 2, 2. This implies, change the side, you can write First simplify this side. That is r square plus 9r into 2r. 11r plus 18. This implies r square plus 11 r square plus 11 square plus 18 minus 120 equal to 0. Understood? Just I have changed the sign. R square plus this 18 minus 120 is equal to this. Plus 11 r 120, 18 minus 120 is equal to minus 102 equal to 0. Clear? Now it is a clearly quadratic equation of r. Now we get to solve it. So factorize this part. The coefficient of r square is equal to 1. So 1 into 102, that is what? 102. Now factorize 102. 102. What are the factors? 2, 5, 1. Correct? So factors are 2, 3 and 17. So this clear. See, 2 into 3 is equal to 6, correct? And 17. So 17 minus 6, you are getting what? 11. Clear? So you can write r square plus, in place of 11, you can write 17 minus 6. Correct? Minus 102 equal to 0. This implies r square plus 17r minus 6r minus 102, 0. This implies you can take common r plus 17, 6r plus 17 equal to 0. This implies, I am writing this in right side. We are erasing it first. This implies, take common, r plus 17 into r minus 6 equal to 0. This into this equal to 0. Now you have to use here zero product rule. That is either r plus 17 equal to 0 or r minus 6 equal to 0. This implies r equal to minus 17 or r equal to 6. Since radius cannot be negative, radius means is a distance. Distance cannot be negative. That is, radius cannot be negative. Therefore, this portion is not acceptable. Therefore, r is equal to 6. That is, radius of the circle of center in C is equal to what? 6 centimeter. This is the answer. Clear? Now come to the another problem. Two circles of radii 18 cm and 8 cm touch externally. Find the length of a direct common tangent to the two circles. Drawing is given here. 18 cm, the radius of the bigger one. So AC is 18 cm. 8 cm is the radius for the smaller one. So CB is 8 cm. Correct. So total distance of AB is 18 plus 8 cm. AC equal to AD because of all are what? Radius of the circle. Similarly, BC and BE same radius of the same circle of center angle B. Here DE is drawn the common, direct common tangent. You have to find the length of DE. Correct? And one more thing, AD is perpendicular to the tangent DE because of what? Already you learned it. And similarly, BE is perpendicular to the common tangent due to same reason. These all are right angle. Correct? Now draw one line parallel to DE. Okay, say it is intersecting the radius AD at F. It is also a right angle because of what? Since it is parallel to the tangent, direct common tangent. Okay, and these all angles are what? Right angle. So, what is the name of the figure? Can you tell? DEBF is a rectangle. Correct. So, now see the picture again clearly. Can you tell me what is the type of the triangle AFB? Can you tell? Yes. There you go. It is the right angle triangle. Right angle at F. So, which property you can use here? Which theorem? Pythagoras theorem. Right. Now, before going to that point, taking the triangle, of course, you have to find the measures, lengths of the triangles. Here clearly AB is 18 plus 8. You have to find the length of DE, that is FB. Let this length is x centimeter. So this also will be x centimeter. Correct? So what will be the length of AF? Of course, BE is what? 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. So this also will be 8 centimeter. Correct? The total length AD is 18 centimeter. Do you know what? Because of the radius. So it is 8. So what will be the AF? It will be the 10 centimeter. It will be the 10 centimeter. Correct? Now, from the triangle AFB, from triangle AFB, AD square equal to AF square plus FB square. Correct? This implies AB square. What is AB? 18 plus 8. 18 plus 8 is equal to what is AF? 10 centimeter. Plus what is FB? It is X. Correct? 18 plus 8, 26 square equal to 10 square plus X square. This is equal to, change the side, x square is equal to 26 square minus 10 square. Which formula you will use here? S square minus B square. Right. That is 26 plus 10. 26 minus 10. This is equal to what? 26, 36. Correct. 26 minus 10, 16. Can you write this way? 6 square into 4 square. This is equal to 6 into 4 whole square. This is equal to 24 square. That is x square equal to 24 square. Therefore, x equal to what? Plus minus 24. So, here the values of x. X means DE, length of the direct common tangent. You have to find. One you got plus, another one is got minus. Since distance cannot be negative, that means here the direct common tangent cannot be negative. So what is the positive value? 24. Therefore, DE equal to what? D is equal to FB equal to x equal to centimeter. Take another problem from this exercise. Two circles of radii 8 cm and 3 cm have their centers 13 cm apart. Find the length of a direct common tangent to the two circles. Drawing is here. Consider the radius of the bigger one is given 8 cm. It is 8 cm. Give the name here. PQ. That is AP is equal to 8 cm. Therefore, AD also will be what? 8 cm since the radius of the same circle. And 3 cm is the radius of the smaller one. So it is 3 cm. That is QB is 3 cm. Therefore, BC also will be 3 cm since the radius of the same circle. Correct? Now we have to find the length of the direct common tangent. Here is the length of direct common tangent, that is DC. You have to find the value of DC. Say it is x centimeter. You have to find the value of x, that is DC. Now draw a line parallel to the direct common tangent through B. It is intersecting the radius AD at the point F. See. Now, the angle ADC, that is the radius with the tangent at the point of contact D, always remains what? Right angle. Similarly, BC also right angle with the tangent. This tangent is common. So BC is parallel to FD, of course, because of right angle of the same line. And you have drawn just now BF is parallel to CD. So the figure BCDF, of course, what? A rectangle. Good. Rectangle. So DC is equal to FB. So this length is also what? X centimeter. Now what? This also will be right angle. This angle also will be right angle. Can you tell me what is the figure? A type of course triangle. What is the type? AFB. Of course right angle triangle. Right angle at F. Now what is the length of AF? You have to find. Total length AD is 8 cm since radius BC 3 cm, so DF also will be 3 cm. 3 cm since rectangle. So FD is 3 cm, AD is 8 cm. So what will be AF? 8 minus 3. Correct. 8 minus 3 is 5 cm. 5 cm. Now it is already given the distance between the centers is 13 centimeter apart. That is, they are not touching here. Is what? 13 centimeter. Correct? Now, which theorem you can use here for the right angle triangle? Correct? Pythagoras theorem. Now, from the triangle AFB, write down. From triangle AFB, AB square equal to AF square plus FB square. Since right angle at F and opposite side of right angle AB will be the hypotenuse. This implies what is the value of AB? AB, the distance between the centers of the circles 13. AF 5. FB x. Correct? This implies x square equal to 13 square minus 5 square. Which formula you can use here? S square minus B square. That is 13 plus 5, 13 minus 5. What is 13 plus 5? 8. Into 13 minus 5, 8. Clear? Now 18 means 9 into 2 into 4 into 2. 8. 9 means 3 square, 2 into 2, 2 square, and 4 again 2 square. That is, you can write 3 into 2 into 2 whole square. That means 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 square. That is x square equal to 12 square. Therefore, what is x? Therefore, x equal to plus minus 12. Two values you got here. One is negative, positive. Since x is here distance, so distance cannot be negative. Therefore, the length of the direct common tangent BC equal to FB equal to x equal to 12 centimeters. Hence the problem. Take another problem from the exercise.